What's up guys, this is Nefarious Intent back for another Minecraft hack client coding tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to export your client to the Minecraft launcher, and without further ado, let's open our Eclipse and get right into it.
He's touching the truth.
As always, this series is brought to you by Intent.store, the best place to get a premium Minecraft hack client. Check them out, link in the description. The first step to exporting your Minecraft hack client is to right click the client right here, go to export, choose Java, jar file, and then uncheck where it has client, and then open up the arrow here, click src, and then hit browse to choose your jar file location. Now we'll hit browse, and I've created a folder called export. This is just where I'm going to put my jar file, so we can call it tutorial if that's what you want your client name to be. It can be whatever. Then you're going to hit save and hit finish. Next, we'll open up our folder in tutorial client. In this case, I called mine export, and there will be your tutorial jar or whatever you called it. And then I also created this client.json file, which will have a download in the description. And it's just a formulated JSON file for specifically a hacked client that makes it easy to just change one thing in it. And we can open it in Notepad. And you'll see there's this ID that's set to client, and you just want to change it to whatever your client name is. In this case, mine's tutorial. So I'm going to change it to tutorial and then save. Then I can close it, and I just want to rename the JSON file to also be tutorial, matching my jar name. And then I can throw these in a folder called tutorial. I also want to grab a couple more things to put into the jar file before I put it in the Minecraft launcher. So I can open up my tutorial folder and open up tutorial in WinRAR. There's a couple other ways you can manipulate the inside of a zip file or a jar file, but WinRAR is the easiest way. If you're on Mac, you're probably going to have to unzip the whole thing and then manage it that way and zip it back together. But for Windows, it's certainly much easier. So we want to open our .minecraft folder and then go to versions and go to 1.8 folder. And then inside that folder is the 1.8.jar. Here we are in the 1.8 folder. Here's our jar file. If we open that in WinRAR as well, we can put it beside our client. And there's a couple things we want to grab. First, we want to open up the assets folder in the 1.8 jar and take all these and open up our assets folder in our client and combine them by dragging them over so that we have all of the assets of Minecraft, not just some of them. Then we want to go back on both of them, and then we want to search for pack PNG, which in WinRAR you can just start typing the name and it'll take you right to it. So we want to throw that right into the tutorial jar, and then you can get rid of start.class by deleting. Now we can close both of these, and our client's ready to go. So we can go back to our versions folder in Minecraft, copy the tutorial folder into it. Then we can open our Minecraft launcher. We can go to installations, new, call it tutorial, or whatever your client name is. From the list of versions, we want to find 1.8 or around 1.8, and then there should be our tutorial, probably at the top of the list, but who knows. Next, we can create. And then at the bottom of our list in our Minecraft launcher, we can hit play. And as you can see, our client successfully launched and we're good to go. So now you can play multiplayer even though we don't have an alt manager. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bye.